Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mazda 3 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your Mazda 3 is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model year. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and effort. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. Open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully disconnect this by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Some models might have a protective dust cover or retaining clips that need to be removed next. Gently twist or unclip these components to expose the bulb itself. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding wires or plastic parts. With the old bulb exposed, it's time for replacement. Gently twist or pull the old bulb straight out of its housing. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can create hot spots and significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated firmly and correctly. It should click or lock into place, indicating a secure fit. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reattach any protective covers or clips you removed earlier, then firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Before closing the hood, turn on your car's headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. If it doesn't light up, double-check the connection and bulb seating. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This final check confirms your successful headlight replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.